Yeah.
Perfect. So we just gotta
Smash the windows and make sure the kids are okay. Alright. Nice. And then...
It was just after 10 p.m. on a quiet Friday night in Flagler County, Florida. In a dimly lit bar parking lot, a car sat running, doors unlocked, keys still in the ignition. Inside that vehicle, alone, was an infant. While music played and drinks were poured inside a nearby bar, deputies were rushing to a call that no child should ever be part of.
Please grab my phone. I'm not going anywhere.
Where's your phone at in the bar?
Yeah, because I had to pee and then I just grabbed, quick here because I didn't know.
What they found next would lead to arrests, felony charges, and a child welfare investigation, captured entirely on body-worn camera footage.
Not only that, but that's that should be.
Yeah.
Perfect. So we just gotta
Smash the windows and make sure the kids are okay. Alright. Nice. And then...
I just had to be and then we tried to get cash to get meat at Walgreens or public, CVS.
Your husband's inside?
Mm-hmm.
What is he wearing?
Black.
He's wearing all black?
Mm-hmm.
He
He's
has,
trying
like-
to
Does he have like a hat on or anything?
No.
Norman's?
Yes.
Norman, your husband inside?
Yes. But why do I have to have this?
We're gonna talk to you in just a minute. We're gonna explain everything.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We just need to go inside and grab your husband real quick.
Okay, no problem. Yes? It's right there.
Where'd your husband?
It's wearing black, yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm not trying to move, okay?
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah, I'm just wondering why do I have this?
No, you said we're gonna explain everything to you in just a minute, okay?
No problem. Am I going to jail?
We're gonna talk about that.
Okay. They were here and then we
Close
just
this door real quick. I don't want to wake him.
Oh,
Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands on your back.
I know. I told them I just come here to get cash. I come here to get cash from you because I don't work. And I have to pee.
Here, I'll take it.
Yeah, and my phone is over there. Can you please?
Your phone's in the...
Because like I said, I have to pee and then check the baby real fast. Yeah.
Y'all left the kid in the car all here in the car.
I had to pee.
The kid just died in Ormond Beach last month from this. I've been here for
Babe, it's okay. Hey, it's okay. Babe, it's okay. I told them I need to get cash from you. Because they were here with the friend, and I came here to get cash.
You're gonna come sit over here.
Babe, it's okay. Babe. He's a little bit stressed out, so I let him go out. Can we please grab my phone? I'm not going anywhere.
Where's your phone at in the bar?
Yeah, because I had to pee and then I just grabbed, quick here because I didn't know. I had to pee, I cannot bring him to the bathroom like that.
Okay.
Because there's smoking bar, I don't like premium, but there's smoking bar, so I had to pee real fast. Sorry about my wording.
So did you guys come here together?
No, he was here and then I come here because I needed the cash. No, he go here and then we come because either here, whoever is open first, we can get what we need, like just wipes and stuff,
Which one's your vehicle? Or did you use?
This one. His is black one. I believe over there.
Oh,
He got here like maybe 3 hours. Yeah, and I had to be real bad, so.
Okay. I got you.
Babe, you got here 3 hours ago, right? Yeah, and I said I want to get cash to get baby stuff for teething.
Yeah, I get that, but at no point is it okay to leave a child in the car.
Yeah, but the smoking
Okay.
barcodes, so I can't
Okay.
bring him over there. I had to pee.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you put me like this, so it's not like I'm gonna run. But I understand.
Do you want to come to the end of your trunk real quick?
Ah,
Do you want to come to your trunk real quick, and
Yeah.
I can just have you lean up against the car, so I don't have to hold you like this the whole time. You just want to lean up against the car?
you can hold me how you want. It's fine.
Okay, like I said, we're going to talk about that in a minute. If the cuffs are hurting you, I can
They
fix
are
the cuffs
hurting
for
me
you.
because
Okay.
I have bad back problems. I was a first responder at 9/11.
Okay, I got you. Sit up for me. Turn around, okay?
I was at the bar. She came to get me. She was here maybe 5 minutes, and I was paying my tab.
Double cuff. Zed's hurting his shoulder blades, so double cuff.
I tell her,
Those are
Command.
band codes, correct?
I tell her all the
So
time.
if you
Not
switch
leave the kid in
them
the car,
out completely,
regardless.
Okay.
I will talk to you in a moment
You
about
want to put yours
everything.
on first?
Yeah, either one.
He's probably better. We're gonna swap out the cuffs for you real quick, okay?
I need more room. My phone's waiting, telling me right now. Yo, am I like that bad of like a suspect or something?
That's what we're doing.
Alright, obviously I'm being detained.
Yes.
We will discuss it all in just a minute.
It hurts.
Get your wrist up. There you go. Yeah, easier on that side. Yeah, I just want someone to hold that.
Clarice,
Hey, let her. Do not talk to her. I
no,
already told
she's
you
my
that.
wife.
I don't care if she's your wife. You both are being detained right now. You're not going to be screaming over at her.
No, I'm not screaming at her, but you have no right to talk to her right now.
She's an adult. She can make adult decisions.
Really?
Yes.
Well, she's also my wife, okay?
You're not going to
So
be...
any statement that she makes without you reading her rights is inadmissible in court.
Okay. Yeah. You can come this way.
Whatever.
This way.
I was sitting there, and she came to get me.
Go ahead.
Clarice, make
Just
sure you have my
favor
phone and all the stuff off the bar, please.
And pat him down, Alex. I can
Yeah.
make sure he doesn't
You
have
want to make sure these are double locked?
my rear.
Why are you so mad at me?
I'm not. You're not listening to directions while we are conducting an investigation.
Sorry for that. But I'm a little disturbed because I was sitting there. She came in to get me. As I'm paying a tab, the officer walks in and says, "You want Finnegan?" I said, "Yes, come with me." I asked her once when she came in as I was paying my tab, go check him in the car.
Yeah, do me a favor, stand up against the trunk for me?
Sure.
No, face the trunk. There you go. Spread your feet.
Yeah.
You got anything on it that's going to poke me, stick me, harm me?
No, not that I believe.
Okay. Is that your wallet in your back pocket?
Yes.
Okay. Just going to go right here for now, okay?
All right. I don't have it. I got my watch, my keys to my car, in my car.
The keys to the car are in the car?
I hide them under the seat.
Okay. I got you.
I guess she was coming to get me.
And then see, I think it's easier if you go butt first.
Yeah, I know. All right.
You're a little bit of a taller guy, so
Hold
I'll
on,
get your
hold
head.
on. Shit. Oh, God.
Hang on.
What?
You gotta put your hands behind you.
Yeah, I can't.
We're not
It's
doing
gonna be
it.
hard.
Can't sit on your hands. There you go.
Hold on.
Put your head.
Okay. Can I have my wallet back, please?
It's gonna go with you.
Okay.
Well,
Anyone ready yet?
Huh?
I'm just gonna read you something, okay? And then, like I said, we can discuss the situation, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to discuss it until I read you this, okay?
That's fine.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to answer my questions now? Okay. So, said I was gonna talk to you and explain the situation to you. I just gotta read you something first, alright?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you.
The suspect, Clarice Finnegan, was charged with child neglect without great bodily harm, and the suspect, Norman Finnegan Jr., was also charged with child neglect without great bodily harm.